An ultra-modern apartment located in the heart of North Ryde. It's only footsteps away from the North Ryde Metro, close to Lane Cove National Park, Macquarie University and Macquarie Centre. It showcases spacious living and a lovely outdoor enclosed balcony. Hi, I'm Thomas from Magara Estate Agents and welcome to Apartment 506, number 1, Betty Road, Ryde. If you have any questions regarding this stunning apartment, please let me know as I love to help you. And look forward to seeing you at the next open home.